Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into a memory upgrade that could seriously boost the performance of your Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. We're talking about the ATEC 64GB kit, specifically designed for the Lenovo Legion 5 Pro 16 ACH6H and 16 IDH6H models. If you're a gamer, content creator, or someone who juggles multiple demanding applications, you know that RAM is king. The Lenovo Legion 5 Pro is a fantastic machine, but sometimes the stock memory just doesn't cut it, especially when dealing with large data sets, video editing, or the latest AAA titles. This ATEC kit comes with two 32GB SATA modules, totaling a whopping 64GB of DDR4 memory. It operates at a speedy 3,200 MHz with a PC4-25600 rating. This means faster data transfer rates and reduced latency, translating to smoother gameplay, quicker rendering times, and an overall more responsive system. Installation is straightforward, especially if you're familiar with upgrading laptop memory. The SATA form factor makes it a breeze to install in compatible laptops. Just make sure to consult your Lenovo Legion 5 Pro's manual for the proper procedure. The ATEC memory is also non-ECC, which is standard for most laptops and gaming rigs. While ECC memory offers error correction, it's generally not necessary for typical consumer use. The focus here is on speed and capacity, and ATEC delivers on both fronts. The difference this upgrade makes is noticeable. Games load faster, multitasking becomes seamless, and demanding applications run without a hitch. If you've been experiencing slowdowns or stutters, especially when pushing your Legion 5 Pro to its limits, this memory upgrade could be the solution you've been looking for. ATEC has a reputation for producing reliable memory, and this kit seems to be no exception. The modules are well constructed, and the performance is consistent. Of course, your mileage may vary depending on your specific system configuration and workload, but based on testing, this kit offers a significant improvement over the stock memory in the Lenovo Legion 5 Pro. For those looking to maximize the potential of their Lenovo Legion 5 Pro, the ATEC 64GB kit is definitely worth considering. It's a relatively affordable upgrade that can provide a substantial performance boost, making your laptop feel like new again.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.